Okay, this video is going to discuss how to insert call-outs into a presentation that you're working with. So for this presentation here, I'm using a project that I already had, something I turned in for one of my classes. What I have here is a screen capture, so I put together a PowerPoint, ran it as a slideshow and captured it on my screen, and then just spoke over it, so I voiced over it. So it's just one media file that I have here, and that part of it's all done. So let's say I wanted to add some callouts. Up here are the annotations, and you'll see that there are lots of different kinds. I will say, just as an aside, this is Camtasia on a Mac. I don't have Camtasia on my Windows computer, but they're fairly similar, and so my hope is that you will be able to look at this and use it on both. But if not, you should feel free to email us with questions. So annotations is where I go, and I can select lots of different things. I can select bubbles and arrows, different shapes, okay, different shading, these sorts of hand-drawn looking things, and then also command buttons. These are commands for a Mac. They are different buttons if you have a Windows version. So let's say I want to do an arrow that looks like this. And for right now, don't worry about the color. We're just worrying about what does it look like. And I'll click on that arrow, and then I can just drag and drop it over here, which is great. And then I can do things over here like edit what the arrow looks like. So I can turn it, okay. I can make it longer, make that part of it longer. I can change the color. Okay, I can change the pointer over in this menu. I can even change what the line looks like. Okay, lots of different things that I can work with here. I can put the pointer on the other side if I'd like. And then also, how thick is it and how much can I see through it? So these are all things that you can edit once you have it on the slide. Okay, and so then that's there. There's nothing else I need to do. As you see, it added a little something down here. Okay, so when I go ahead and I play this is my concept PowerPoint for biology for the spring of 2014. So what I'm going to as you see, it disappeared. Okay, as I switched slides. I can even, if I want to increase it, let's say I want that arrow to stay in place across a couple slides, I can actually fix that here on the timeline and see it popped back up here. So it'll be here until I get to the end of this slide. Okay. And then it will go away. So that's how to put callouts in. They all work similarly. Okay, you can play around with these. I won't waste your time showing you every single one of them. Please do feel free to ask us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.